This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 27th of November. I'm James Spann. It's cold and cloudy, but brighter days are ahead. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the Alpha Skycam network this afternoon. First off, we're looking at the Trustful Skycam. I mean, it's only 44 degrees at 2 o'clock this afternoon. The low clouds are hanging tough. We'll go up to Hamilton now. This is where we'll begin to see clearing, probably by 5 or 6 o'clock this evening. But still, at the moment this image was taken, the sky was cloudy there. And down in Shelby County, that's our Skycam on the campus of the University of Montevallo. Same deal. Low clouds are hanging tough. There's the big picture. This is the visible satellite view. And you can see how all of Alabama is still socked in. You've got some bubbles of convection down in far south Alabama, but around here the rain is over. And the clearing is approaching the northwestern corner of the state at mid-afternoon, and that will be working its way quickly southward overnight. And tomorrow we'll have the sunshine back in full force. But with the lack of sunshine today, it's cold. With cold air advection, Haleyville only at 42. Coleman at 43. Those were captured at the 2 o'clock. Birmingham at 49. The warmest spot on the board is Montgomery, where they've got 62. But the wave that brought the rain last night early this morning is moving on to the east, and we'll be dry for a while. And we're going to warm up quickly by the end of this week and the weekend. There's a look at temperatures around the nation. Pretty cold, but again, the worst of the cold air will be passing north of here, moving more east than south. That's going to allow for that nice warm-up. And again, we're looking at highs around 70 this weekend. It's going to be very mild. Around the nation, pretty quiet. There are some winter weather advisories for parts of Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, New York City. They've had some snow today over to parts of Connecticut. But again, as you can see, a large chunk of the nation is nice and quiet and calm. And the rain for the next 5 days. Now, this takes into account the rain we had this morning starting at 6 o'clock. And this is valid through Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. And really, I think from here on out, we'll be dry. The big numbers back in the Pacific Northwest. How about 1 foot of rain for the northern California coast? Let's check the modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 12 noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. This is about 18,000 feet off the ground. We have a northwest flow aloft here, and down below that, the day should be really nice. Now, we'll start the day around freezing, but we warm to near 60. The sky will be sunny. I don't think you'll see a cloud in the sky. Pretty much the same deal on Thursday. We'll start the day around freezing. The high low to mid-60s. The GFS is printing 63. And Friday, mid-60s are likely with a mostly sunny sky. So dry for the rest of this week. All right, a lot of weekend questions. Let's take a look. This is Saturday. And again, moisture is clearly increasing, but there's no trigger for rain. So while you might consider a slight chance of a shower, I don't think the chance is great enough to mention in the forecast now. We'll just say partly sunny and mild. We'll be close to 70 on Saturday afternoon. And if you like that, you'll like Sunday. We've got a band of showers north and west of the state. This is suggesting there might be a shower over the far northern part of Alabama. But again, we'll leave our forecast dry. And the GFS is now showing a high of 73 on Sunday. Ooh. And Monday of next week, same deal. High right around 70, partly sunny, dry. Just doesn't get much nicer in early December. We'll keep on going. This is a week from today. This is Tuesday of next week. You can see a cold front approaching. And then Wednesday, December 5th, a pretty good-looking trough is going to support a cold front coming through. And that's going to bring a band of showers and maybe some thunderstorms. Severe weather, I don't know. Could be some gusty storms with that, but that's not a classic severe weather look. And behind it, the weather turns colder. This is December the 6th. This is Thursday of next week, and that's suggesting a cool and dry day. And if by chance that's right, look at the big snowstorm potential for the northeast United States up there. All right, we'll take it out 3 more days. There's another opportunity of wet weather with another cold front. And on the 12th of December, another wet weather pattern setting up. So it looks like things might be more active in December in terms of rain, but really none of these looks are, severe weather type looks. That might suggest some good rains in here. That's showing rain amounts of well over 1 inch. And then the end of the forecast on 12-12-12. There's a look at the upper air pattern there. And again, down below that, evidence of more rain. But again, no sign of any major severe weather issues. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Catch us if you can on ABC 3340 at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair-challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.